another even exercise now. 7 mod 2, it gives us 1. Here what happens here, 7 is divided into 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 and then 1. This modulo symbol will give us the remainder while dividing 7 with 2. Okay, for your understand, I will give a 3 and I run here, it gives 1. Here what happens, 3 plus 3 plus 1, this happens here. Okay, with this statement we can find the odd or even number. Okay, shall we do that? Okay, what I can assign a variable, num equal to int input of enter a number. Okay, we are getting input from the user and we are passing if num, that number is mod 2 equal to 0. Oh, I will show that. Print 8 mod 2. If the even number is mod with 2, it will give 0, because here it happens 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0. These all equally divided and the remainder is 0. So if this statement is true, then you should print, okay, caps, the number is even. If I use inside this block, it automatically indent as. This is a special quality of Python. Okay, else it should print the number is odd. Shall we go? Okay, enter the number. I just enter 51. The number is odd. I enter 88. The number is even, and 99. The number is odd. This is all about today, guys. Just try coding yourself. Thank you for watching, guys.